you ever heard of Sashimono? It is a traditional craft of wooden furniture that originated in Japan. Sashimono is classified into two, Kyo Sashimono and Edo Sashimono. Today, we will focus on Edo Sashimono and take a closer look at its features and manufacturing process. Edo Sashimono is unique in that it was used to produce articles used by samurai families, merchants, and Edo kabuki actors. The design makes use of straight lines, simplicity without unnecessary decorations, and it is firmly piled up without using any nails. Edo Sashimono expresses the essence of the Edo period in its lack of decoration, simple and rugged design, and exhibition of the natural beauty of the wood grain to the greatest degree. Edo Sashimono craftsmen use only wood sourced from within Japan. In particular, the mulberry trees of Makurajima Island, known as island mulberries, are rated as the ultimate building material because of that golden iridescence. Achieving that luster is not easy. As with all Sashimono pieces, the wood must be hand-planed multiple times and polished to reveal the best grain pattern. Then 8 thin coatings of urushi lacquer are painstakingly applied. There are 2 other major Sashimono craft traditions in Japan, but they differ from the Edo variety in several ways. Osaka Sashimono artisans have long specialized in using foreign wood, such as red sandalwood, rosewood, or ebony. Kyoto Sashimono is characterized by a more luxurious appearance that sometimes uses mother-of-pearl inlays or colorful lacquers. Edo Sashimono is different. Their products are made for daily use, simple and stylish, embodying the aesthetic ideal of Iki, a cool, chic directness. This is because their traditional customers were samurai, kabuki actors, and merchants who wanted to avoid any ostentatiousness. So that's a closer look at Edo Sashimono, the traditional craft of wooden furniture that embodies the essence of the Edo period. From its lack of decoration to its simple and rugged design, it truly is a remarkable piece of art.